Hi children, we learned the numerals 61 to 70. We learned the numbers name, all the numerals name 61 to 70. Spell and write. Now let us do an interesting exercise. I'll give you the numbers name and you'll find the numeral for me. Find the numeral. So whatever the name of the number that comes up, spell, read and find, identify and write the numerals. Shall we do that? Shall we take our first number name? Good. Look what we have here. Read aloud. SIXTY 60 TWO 62 62. You learn to read 62. Good. So what can be the numeral? 6 2. 6 and 2 62. Good. So you're learning to identify, learning to read. Good. 62 is the numeral for this number name. Good. Shall we go to our next number name? Good. Look. SIXTY 60 SIX 66. So what will be the numeral? 66. How do we write 66? 6 and 6. 66. 6 and 6. 66 is the numeral for this number name. Good. Let's take our next number name. SIXTY 60 FOUR 64. Good. 64. How do we write the numeral for this name? 64. 6 4 64. 6 and 4 64. Very good. So you found the numeral for this number name 64. 6 and 4 64. Good. Let's take our next number name. Look. Spell. SIXTY 60 EIGHT 68. That's the number name given to you. 68. How do we write the numeral? 6 8 68. 6 and 8 68. Good. Did you enjoy the exercise? Shall we take some more? Yes, let's take the next number name. Spell and say together. SIXTY 60 ONE 61. How do you write the numeral for this number name? 61 is written as 6 and 1 61. 6 and 1 you write it as 61. Good. 61 is written as 6 and 1 61. Good. 60. How do you spell 60? SIXTY 60 and 1 only 1. So this is the number name and you found the numeral 6 and 1 61. Shall we take another number name? Yes. Look what you have here. Spell and tell me. SEVENTY 70. Spell again. SEVENTY 70. How do you write the numeral 70? 7 and 0 70. 7 and 0 70. 7. You found the numeral for this number name. 7 and 0 70. Good. Let's take another number name. Isn't it nice exercise? Good. Read out. SIXTY 60 N-I-N-E, 9. 60. Good. 9. 69. How do you write the numeral as? 6 and 9. 69. 6 and 9. 69 is the numeral for this number name. Good. Shall we go to our next number name? Are you enjoying the exercise? Good. Read this. S-I-X-T-Y, 60. S-E-V-E-N, 7. 67. How do you write the numeral? 6 and 7. 67. 67 is written as 6, 7. 67. 6 and 7. 67. Good. Let's take another numeral. You like the exercise? Look at the next number. Let's find the next numeral. Alright. Read aloud. S-I-X-T-Y, 60. F-I-V-E, 5. 65. 65. How do you write the numeral? 6 and 5. 65. Very good. 6 and 5. 65. So you learn to write the numeral for the number name. 6 and 5, 65. Shall we take another number name? Good. Look what you have here. S-I-X-T-Y, 60. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 63. 63, you read it as. How do you write the numeral? 6 and 3, 63. 6 and 3, 63. The number name, 63. How do you write? 6 and 3, 63. Good.